Macy Ferguson. We got a new subscriber in the building, y'all. Macy Ferguson. He said, great job, y'all. Uh-oh. This thing won't stay running. Nah, some money, Carlo. For my people watching, look out, look out. Come on over here. Get over here. Oh shit, I heard that Yello over there. Oh shit! The fuck? He accidentally bumped that nitrous button, y'all. Damn, he accidentally hit that nitrous button, y'all. Damn, he turned that ball off quick. Oh! Damn, he got them wheels aimed over here. Oh shit. For all my people that's on TikTok, y'all, I'm live on YouTube. Y'all check it out. Lookout Racing is the YouTube channel. We got it in HD, showing way better. We're using a zoom and everything. Okay. Full pass, full pass. Yeah, they made a full pass. Hold on, they said they gotta mop something up. What is that? What is that? I don't know what that is. Gerald, what you think about that, Gerald? Huh?
I got a V6 truck over there I run.
Yeah. You gonna try him in that V6?
I just want motherfucker $10 say the bitch won't do an 8.
Yeah.
That motherfucker good. Hey,
what?
Get that nigga back down the head.
Back time.
And y'all watching this live and y'all still not following him,
Yeah.
subscribe or none
Subscribe.
of that. Bro, y'all lame, bro.
Yeah.
Y'all watching this live, y'all still not subscribed or following him, get out of here.
Y'all should be subscribed by now. I think they subscribing. They subscribe with that.
That's subscribe.
Yeah.
That is subscribe.
Oh yeah, she subscribed. You know her?
No, you better not. I go to Walmart. I'm supposed to be at Walmart.
Oh, you be at Walmart?
No.
Hey, miss, you on my YouTube channel, ain't you? You suscríbete a mi canal? Oh, yeah, she on there, y'all. Hey! Hey, she on there. I told y'all.
She on a lot of YouTubes, I imagine.
Yeah. Yeah, she on there. Yeah. Yeah, she from Puerto Rico, y'all. She only speaks Spanish. Huh? Okay, my shit over there. Let me see some. Oh, nah. It's in that clip. It's in that clip.
I'm an old school nigga. I'm 45.
I didn't say
Whatever gonna get that. I told you.
Hey, Tyrone.
Yeah.
You making it going crazy. Oh, yeah, get us.
You want a beer?
Hey, I'm making it baseball.
Spanish speaking to me. Know just how I like.
Hey, look at him.
Huh?
I guess you're gonna be racing that black Monte Carlo tonight, is you?
I don't know. I'm gonna try to. I'm finna see if they
Man,
ready
he
for
done
me.
fuck the whole track up right now, though, so I
Oh,
don't know.
he ain't fuck it up.
He went back and forth and back and forth. Why ain't he just...
Well, this time he ain't gonna go back and forth. They
Hey,
gonna
man,
get it
I still
right
got my
first
fucking
try.
coins on you, brother. You know what I'm
Okay,
saying?
bet.
You got it, baby.
Okay. Let me see where Funky Town is. Oh, there go Funky Town.
What, man? Check it out. Say, man. On over there.
What happened? Oh, crap. I need to pull the car. I'm gonna see if we're gonna pull this car. Left lane for the win.